Well, we were up and we were hiking on, walking away from the Welcome Hikers Hostel and headed to the trail. It's about a quarter mile up the road, and we'll get on and we're going over Mount Moosilauke in New Hampshire, and then we're going another probably 6 miles, so a total of somewhere between 16 and 17 for the day to Ezra Brook Shelter. So a little bit of climbing today, so we didn't set our sights on going too far. So anyways, good stay at the hostel. Very glad we opted for that. Yesterday was a taxing day, but today is a new day, so let's hike on. Refreshing way to start the day. Now we have a bridge over this little thing. We could have used the bridge effort back there, but we appreciate it. Not having to take our shoes off again. Sign. We've been walking along the road for the last quarter mile, and now we're back into a woods trail, and we're 3.9 from the Moosilauke summit. So we're now descending Mount Moosilauke, and have to admit there are some parts that are rather steep and tricky. Not 4-point climbing, but you definitely have to be careful or you could take a real good spill. Hey buddy, so we made it down off Mount Musalak, and we are now coming up on Mount Wolf. Nowhere's near as big, but still we'll have about a 800-foot climb. And man, after coming down off Mount Musalak, man, that was very tiring. I think if not the hardest descent we've had on the AT, very close to it. So it took a lot out of us. So I don't know, nice water source. I think I may get water here. Yeah, we're good. But yeah, took a lot out of us. So we're 12 miles into the day, and we got about 16 and a half. So we've got about 4.5 more miles to go before we get to Ezra Brook Shelter. So yeah, we'll just keep on plugging on. There's a chance of rain this afternoon, but it looks like it's holding off thus far. So hopefully, if nothing else, we can make it to the shelter before it starts. So yeah, let's hike on. So we're at the summit of, or near summit, I guess, not quite the summit, but very close to it, of Mount Wolf. And we got this little viewing window. So, and you can see quite a ways. And it's a hazy day, so nice. Hey everybody, we're here at the Eliza Brook Shelter, and we're settled in. We're actually staying in the shelter with 3 other people, and so we're getting ready to call it a day. Good day too. The view up on Musalak was incredible, very nice. I don't know, the hike down was very hard, which really made the rest of the hike over here to the shelter a challenge. But we did it, so we're good. And now we're right below Kinsman, and so we'll go up that tomorrow, and then we'll continue on through the Whites. So hope you had a good day today. Hope you enjoyed the mountaintop view and the water flow down the rock side and all that. So you know, yeah, hope you enjoyed it. Hope to see you tomorrow. Good night.